Excellency, my good friend Jimmy Wanjigi, Mheshimiwa Paul Moiti, Senior Counsel, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellency William Samoei Ruto, delegates, hamjambo. Hamjambo tena. Allow me too to take it up from the Honorable Rigathi Gachagua to congratulate the Honorable Jimmy Wanjigi on your appointment today. We are gathered at this dome today because we believe in your ideologies. SAFINA Party, you have been very vocal from the very day you've started in the ODM Party, fighting for the third liberation of the Republic of Kenya. Allow me to join you today, standing here and speaking on behalf of millions of young men around the Republic of Kenya, to tell you both and the Deputy President, that we Kenyan youths, we are damn tired ya kubebwa ufara katika serikali ambayo tuko nayo. Allow me to join you in this conversation. Our forefathers fought off Mzungu. They fought for our land. They fought for education. They fought for healthcare. And we had the likes of the Honorable Paul Moiti fighting for multi-partyism, fighting for 2010 Constitution. And the biggest question I ask myself today, Catherine Waruguru, and many young men below the age of 40, what are we going to stand for in the liberation, the next liberation, in the current crisis as far as economic revolution is concerned? Allow me, ladies and gentlemen, to invite you into this conversation. This is non-partisan. This involves every young man, regardless of the political party that you are affiliated to. We are in a Fuliza nation. We are in a country where majority of our young men do not have jobs, both formally and informally. And we are saying that it is our time. We are the majority. We and our women and our mothers, we are saying there is no change for us without us. We must be on the table. And the conversation as it goes, we are saying, we women, we young men, what do you have for us this afternoon, the Honorable Jimmy Wanjigi and the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya in the UDA Party? I'm inviting all of us to walk into this journey with our heads high. We fight for our space. Majority of our young mothers who do not have jobs, who do not have vibarua, mama fua, boda boda, mama boga, hata wale wanarandaranda kule kwa mitaa. Tunasema serikali ni yetu sasa. Na wakati wa kusema hatubebewi akili ni sasa. Wakati wa kusema tumepewa mwelekeo ya kutosha. Tulikuwa kule Sagana 3, tukasikia tumeambiwa safari ndio hii, barabara ndio ile. Mimi nitamaliza kwa kusema hivi. The Honorable Jimmy Wanjigi, you are very right. From the time Mzungu left this land, we have had the Odingas, we have had the Kenyattas, and we have had the Mois. When are we going to get a chance to get one of us as the President of the Republic of Kenya? When we talk in this conversation, we do not mean that we want people to be poor so that we can celebrate you. We are saying, come as you are. If you have a heart to help, you have a heart to serve, you have a heart for change. And that is why we are saying, if it is time for liberation, then we must join in. Bring like-minded people together. The same way today we have Jimmy Wanjigi, we have William Samoei Ruto, and we have other great Kenyans gathered here. And we are saying, it is Itweka moment. Thank you very much.